Hello, my name is Nadine Ahola. I'm Area Supervisor with the West Contra Costa Unified School District Food Services Department. Today is a special day here at our central kitchen. We have a group of students who are coming on a tour of our central kitchen facilities from Stewart Elementary School. They went through the kitchen and they saw the big kettles where all our food is prepared in big batches. They took a tour of the staging area to see how the workers stage the food that is sent to each school. They visited the refrigerators to see how the food is kept. They saw where all the milk is stored. They walked the dock and saw where the delivery trucks come and pick up all the food that they take to their school, so they will have their breakfast and lunch. We took a tour of the warehouse and saw all the product that is stored in there, and the highlight was a trip inside the big deep freezer where they all were chilled to the bone, but were laughing and having fun with that. After that, they participated in a food tasting, a sampling of a food tasting, which was a new item that we are creating, a bagel pizza. They voted on thumbs up, thumbs down if they liked it or not. And then we treated them to a nice lunch, pizza lunch, which included organic, first of the season cherries. Everyone was very excited to sample the cherries. It's the first time we've ever served cherries here in food services. So it was a joyful day. We had a good time with the kids. Everyone had fun. Everyone had a full stomach when they left, and they even asked if they could return next year. So thank you.